Good morning. Today I will show you the strengthening of internal rotator. So we will start with the isometric exercise of internal rotator and external rotator of the shoulder joint. So what you have to do, keep your right hand like this. The elbow should be in 90-degree flexion, and this is the internal rotation and this is the external rotation. So what we will do, give the resistance with this hand and try to come inside, try to do this movement. So give resistance with this and try to do this movement. So hold it for 30 counts and release it. So repeat like this for 10 times and release it. So this we have done internal rotation, isometric exercise of the internal rotators. Then we will do isometrics for external rotator. So what we will do, keep the elbow flexed 90-degree like this. We are doing it for the right side. Keep your left hand like this for the resistance and try to move the elbow outward and give the resistance from the left hand. Hold it for 30 counts and repeat this exercise for 10 times. The same thing we'll do on the left hand. So this is the internal movement and this is the external movement. So what we'll do, keep the elbow like this, 90-degree flexed, and give the resistance from the right hand. Press the right hand and you will get a contraction all over the shoulder and elbow joint. Maintain it for 30 counts and release it. So like this you have to repeat 10 times. So this is the isometric exercise for internal rotators. So next we will give resistance to the outside like this and try to move your elbow outwards. Once you will start getting contraction, maintain it for 30 seconds, then release it. So like this, repeat it for 10 times. This is the isometric exercise for external rotator, left side. So these are the strengthening of internal and external rotator of the shoulder joint. Thank you.